name is Hope Williams. I am a business instructor with the College of Business here at South Carolina State University. I'm also the director for Nuclear EDU, Introduction to Nuclear in the Classroom. And we have invited local Orangeburg County educators to participate in these workshops. We actually are giving away school supplies, we're doing fun games where they're winning prizes. We're even offering a $250 stipend for attendees. So that means we have to have a limit there. We have 30, we had 10 attendees today. Our goal is to have 10 for each workshop. We have 2 more workshops coming up, one on August 30th, the next one is on September 13th, and then our last workshop will be on September 27th, where we bring all cohorts together to learn a variety of different activities that they can take back to their classroom for their students to understand nuclear a little bit more clearly. I'm excited about this opportunity, and I invite you all to share this opportunity. If it's something that doesn't interest you, maybe you know someone who would interest, so please share this opportunity and have them come on out. My name is Hope Williams again. My phone number is 843-460-5882.
Just being knowledgeable. Just sharing that knowledge about, hey, go sit at a public forum about it. You don't have to have any certain level of expertise, but like I said, you're a stakeholder in the community. So just make sure we're just sharing information, making sure everyone around us knows that, hey, you have an involvement in this.
I agree with my demarking SCC. But all jokes aside, I agree. Even in the classroom, as a part of, and I love it when we hit the nuclear chemistry part as a chemistry teacher, because you would be surprised at how many students do not know the story behind their local geography. They don't know how new Ellington and Ellington came to be. And when you explain to them about how SRS came into the area and basically they purchased the land and we shifted everything over to accommodate Savannah Riverside and the ethics involved in that. Because typically when we talk about ethics in a science term, we always think about Henrietta Lacks, or we always think about it as a far-off concept, not something as local as that. So that's why I appreciated the historical context, and that's where you started, because we can't implement it with fidelity and integrity unless we know the historical concept.
The other thing I would add on is this issue around BC Summer 2 and 3. That's probably something that's going to be bubbling up here in the near future, because there is a lot of energy around restarting that construction. So that's going to require a lot of trade skill type jobs that, a lot of folks that were down there at the mobile site, most of those folks were making 6 figures doing that work. No college degree needed, and they were clearing 125. So we start factoring that into a lot of, somebody that's 18, 19, 20 years old, and to say, okay, hey, you can get to a job that's going to guarantee you 6 figures plus for a period. What does that look like for their social economic, status over 10 years? And then you compare that, okay, what else would you be doing in that time? You can stack up, and put 6 figures away in your account for sure. That's something to kind of start getting prepared for. Because realistically, not everybody's going to want to go to college, and there are other opportunities out there for folks to take advantage of, and that's probably going to be one that's really going to be coming down the pipe.
Hello, my name is Sophia Smith, and I'm at the Nuclear Education event hosted by South Carolina State University.
Hello, my name is Ashley Thurman, and we are at Nuclear EDU.
Perfect. What schools do you work at?
I work at Sheridan Elementary School here in Orangeburg, South Carolina.
Hello, my name is Ashley, and I work at Marshall Elementary School in Orangeburg County School District.
Okay, perfect. What was the purpose of the event today? What's it covering and stuff?
Okay, the purpose of the event today was to learn about nuclear waste management and the way that it's handled, disposed, and how it is funded, and all what comes behind the detail of how it is jobs, how it benefits funds, and all the good details about waste management.
Give me another question.
Okay. How's the event today? Because at Marshall, kids are sharing any other
The event today is going to affect them because we're looking at how are we going to help grow the next leaders. So we're looking at students, what kind of career path they're going to choose from. It's not just being nuclear engineers, thinking about the workforce that we are now creating, like moving forward to help with generations to come.
You guys have any closing thoughts?
We just want to thank South Carolina State University for this wonderful and amazing opportunity, and we're glad that we're able to partnership with the university to again help create leaders in our community.
All right, I am Hope Williams. Please check us out on Instagram at SCSU_nuclear EDU. You can also email us at scsunuclear25@gmail.com. My direct number is 843-460-5882. I'd love to hear from you and to give you more information about this opportunity.